Hello everyone and welcome to the course. My name is Yash Patil and I am an wiring harness design engineer. I have experience of more than 5 years in the industry and have designed harnesses for companies like Mahindra, Eaton, as well as consulted a few electric vehicle startups for making wiring harnesses. Through this course, we will understand what is wiring harness, how to make them, how to manufacture them. We will have a thorough in and out understanding of wiring harnesses after completion of this course. So, um the main contents of this course will be what is actually wiring harness from start to end. So, what does wiring harness is made up of? Wires, lugs, connectors, terminals, splices, and everything that goes within a harness. We will thoroughly discuss each and every point from this, and we'll get a good understanding of how it is made, how the design selection is done for connectors, wires, how to read data sheets for the electrical components, what is ferrule labeling, which covering we need to use, and everything. Um, after making all the design decisions, we will move on to wiring harness design. So for wiring harness design, we are going to use the Creo parametric software for routing, the drawing creation and everything. So as you can see, we will have we will start with a simple harness. We will make a 3D model for this harness. After making the 3D model, um, we will flatten this drawing. We will make a flattened harness for this. As you can see, this is a flat harness and a flattened view of the same wiring harness shown here. So after flattening, we will go to the drawing creation. So as you can see here, so we will make a drawing view of this harness. We will give lengths. We'll make bomb which contains all the material required for this wiring harnesses, its description, manufacturing, etc. And here is the wiring list, um, which will show the manufacturer from which connector to which other connector the wire is going. So these are the parts we will cover during the flattening and 3D design of the harness. After that, we will after this we'll cover manufacturing, which will contain wire cutting, stripping, terminal crimping, etc. So whenever a design is given to a manufacturer, how he creates wiring harness, what tools he uses, what all machinery he requires for manufacturing at a mass scale, we will go through everything. So thank you for joining. I'll see you in the next chapter. Bye.